Welcome. If you've ever wanted to share a photo with your friends or colleagues in a group chat on X, formerly known as Twitter, using your PC, you're in the right place. Today, I'll walk you through the latest and simplest way to send a photo to a group on X, thanks to the new update. Let's get started. First, open your preferred web browser and head over to the X website. Log into your account if you haven't already. Once you're in, look to the left side of the screen and find the Messages tab. Click on it to open your direct messages. Now, you'll see a list of all your conversations. Scroll through and select the group you want to send your photo to. If you have a lot of groups, you can use the search bar at the top to quickly find the right one. With the group chat open, look for the media icon. It usually looks like a small picture or camera symbol at the bottom of the chat window. Click on this icon, and a File Explorer window will pop up, allowing you to browse through your computer's files. Find the photo you want to share, select it, and then click Open. You'll see a preview of your chosen photo appear in the chat. If everything looks good, just hit the Send button. In a moment, your photo will be delivered to everyone in the group, ready for them to view and react to. That's all it takes, just a few quick steps, and you can share memories, important images, or anything else visually with your group on X, right from your PC. This update makes the process smoother and more intuitive than ever before. Thanks for joining me today. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to share it with others who might need a hand. Happy sharing, and see you next time.